Hello guys, Mayo team is back in here. So today we have a unique car with us. So this is the all new Lotus Evora GT. Okay, so firstly looking at the car from the front, the car looks very aggressive. I really love the lights. It's a very massive light. You think it's very big, but then there is just one fog lamp, and then there's a one LED light over there. You could see that there. And we have LED indicator lights going. We also have few air vents in here, LED lighting going on there, a front splitter. We also have air vents in here for dynamics.
There's carbon louvered vents, as well as a small vent helping the thing, and it also gives it an aggressive look because you can see the tire tread. And then moving back.
So guys, this is the aluminium forged rims.
Yeah.
You could see a yellow brake caliper.
And as you can see, the brakes, they're ventilated. You see the holes on them.
Yeah.
It helps cool the brakes. It also helps cool the brakes. So guys, as you can see on the side, it's got a really aggressive look, because especially because of the tire tread right there. As you can see, it kind of shows and then it gives it a really big aerodynamic look, and then this helps the air go and ventilate the tires back here, and that obviously reduces drag and improves aerodynamics. And as you can see, let's go into this beast now. And well, it looks amazing, to be fair. And we have a full Alcantara finish with a bit of paint, body matched. Let's go in here. Wow, this is nice, guys. Yeah, it is. So as you can see, you're introduced from this car. So guys, now we have the steering wheel. As we can see, full Alcantara steering with a small red stripe here. And we have the speed limiter, and then you have turning on and off of the car, which is really cool. It's placed here, you see. Nice big Lotus emblem, and then you have a pretty nice fluffy pedal, a gearbox, real smooth, indicators, your usual stuff. The air vent it looks like a jet. It's very cool. It's very, very cool. And this is the handle you use to pull it in. It's really cool. And what else? The engine start is placed all the way up here. It's like that. It's pretty cool. And you have your little analog which is very cool. It gives you a classic vibe.
Moving to the center console, here we have an Alpine infotainment system. It's pretty straightforward to use. It's easy. Moving up, we have the controls for the door lock and unlock, race mode and sport mode, and also the double indicators. Here down we have the heaters and controls for the AC for your temperature. Here we have the AC pressure controller. Here we have the buttoned gear selector, and we have a manual handbrake, which is really good for a sports car. And here there's a small metal badging of the authorization. And yeah, I pretty love this race car.
So guys, this is the rear portion of the Lotus Evora GT. We have our single tail lamp or ring tail lamp, and there inside you can see an indicator lights. Down here we have reverse lights. We have a carbon fiber reverse bumper. We have a massive diffuser, and look at those exhaust, and these are Alpine exhaust pipes. Wow, they're massive, and we would be showing you guys the exhaust startup. Oh wow, cool is that. So here we have a very visible air vent. Look at that, my arms can go fully in. Wow, that's so cool. And here we have a small spoiler in there, and we have Lotus badging, and this is stickered Lotus badging. We have brake lights, and that's about the rear portion of the car. So guys, this is a Lotus V6 engine producing 416 horsepower and 420 newton meters of torque, and this car has a top speed of 280 kilometers per hour, and it can go from 0 to 100 in less than 3.8 seconds. So that's about it. Down here we have a small storage space. It's quite deep, and yeah, we have a light inside, and that's about it.
Now let's see how it is to drive. Oh my god guys, this car is hella loud.
Car is much faster than I thought it would be, because for 416 horsepower, yeah, 416, yeah, it's very powerful.
Yeah, but compare the weight, the horsepower to weight ratio
Yeah,
is very good.
very good. Yeah, this car is small, nimble.
That's why.
Can we try race mode or no? Okay. So guys, right now we're in race mode. Yes. Here we go. Oh my god guys, it is so fast. Oh, oh the braking.
So guys, wait for the end, there's the best launch coming up.
So guys, this is in race mode. The valves are open and the car's at its full potential. Oh my god! Oh my god! Wow guys, this car is fast.
So my final verdict would be, this would be your best small sports car that you could take anywhere. It is quick, it has the best sounding engine, the exhaust is just amazing, and it's just priced below 500,000 and it's worth it actually. And a big thanks to Lotus Abu Dhabi for giving us the car to review, and you will see more Lotus car videos coming up in future. If you guys like the video, if they do, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to hit the bell icon.